Hi everybody, this is Professor Horn. I'm just checking in on you, making sure that you're doing okay in the class, and just wanted to draw your attention to a couple announcements that you have some assignments coming up that normally you don't have, right? I'm sure most of you are aware, you should be aware if you're reading the syllabus and keeping track of the class on Canvas, that you have a midterm exam this week, right? And normally in a normal summer school class, the midterm exam would be open for 1 week, so the exam would be due on Saturday. But because Saturday is a holiday, I'm giving you guys a couple extra days. So the midterm exam will not be due until Monday, July 6th at 11:59 p.m. Remember from the introduction video and the syllabus that you guys all read, I'm sure, that you have multiple attempts at the midterm exam as well as the final exam. But for the midterm exam, you have 2 attempts. So you take the exam, you don't like the score that you got on the exam, then you can simply retake it and it'll take your highest score. So as long as you have both attempts completed by Monday, July 6th at 11:59 p.m., it'll take your highest score. So if you score highest on the first attempt, then you scored lower on the second, you won't get penalized. It only takes your highest attempt. So if you're not happy with your grade on your midterm after you take it, please restudy, review your notes, right? Look at your assignments, discussion forums, your readings, your lecture notes, and take it again before the due date, right? So you have a couple options there to make sure you get a good grade on the midterm. But don't fear if you don't do well on both attempts of the midterm. There is an optional makeup paper in this class where you'll be able to complete an essay, and those instructions are in the midterm module this week, as well as the submission link. You complete an essay, you follow the instructions, you turn it in by the due date, and then you can replace your grade on the midterm exam, right? If you end up getting a higher grade on the midterm exam than you did on the paper, you won't be penalized. They'll take the highest grade, right? So you have some options to make sure you do well on the exam. Again, like I said at the beginning of class, I want to make sure all my students pass the class, and these are some options to help you do so. But you still got to put in the work. I can't pass you if you don't put in the effort, right? Other than that, your assignments for this week are due at the normal date on Saturday, 11:59 p.m., so make sure you get those done in time so you can enjoy your holiday weekend. Other than that, I'll be in contact in a week or so via video check-in just to make sure everybody's doing okay. You guys have been doing well in your discussion forums, your chapter activity grades, your inquisitive grades. All those are doing wonderful, so keep up the good work. And I will check in on you in a couple of days. Have a good 4th of July.